Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Redmi A3 Pro and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application and tap on three dots on the right corner. In this part, choose Settings, where we have our Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember, maybe to our Google account. To manage it, press on it, enter our look screen to get connected to these passwords, and there we can copy this our username and password using this first icon, or after we press this size icon, our smartphone shows us password which we remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon, or edit something by tap on edit and write something new in username, note or passwords. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which you can do with it is delete this password by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.